ngasho King Ken mfethu uyazi wami mfethu ingwane kulungisa mfethu ukuthi as a hip hop activist mfethu I believe ukuthi ayikho umunye umuntu ozosenzela ku hip hop ngaphandle kwethu. We need to do things for ourselves but hip hop we know ukuthi it's a chosen journey uNkulunkulu yabo. So from slavery, rap, rhythm and poetry yonke lento. So into engayisho mfethu ukuthi let's be focused mfethu kiko music wethu sipushana sibambisana bese amakasi sonke yonke.
Isuke lapho lento ukuthi singazenzela siqonda ukuthini
ukuthi singazenzela ukuthi mina iphiliva futhi ayikho umuntu umuntu ongasenzela bafo. Njengani kwenze kuhle ukuthi lapha music wethu kwazi ukungena ku-industry ukudayisa yabo. Kufanele khona into efana njengani ukuthi kufanele they need to change their styles ukuthi bangene ku-industry. Music kufanele kabili hip hop khona i-culture ne-industry yabo. Kunabantu abagcina i-culture idayisi kudayisa industry kakhulu. So mina wadla mtshela ukuthi i-culture ingene egemini yabo le umusic wethu asethwe because umusic wethu sikhotheka kazo kanjani uqala. Masikandi ukwenzile masikandi udla masikandi ukwazi ukuthi uyimpatha kanjani namhlanje udla masikandi izintweni yabo.
Sokuyistyle
ukubiyistyle namhlanje ube so that as a hip hop people ngiyafisa ukuthi i-culture bafethu sibe kwelisi ngasekubukeni izinto zethu kwaye manje uveza ukuthi ivaliwe mina mpleni ukuthi sihlanganise okusho ukapteni basemlazi bawonke amalokishi sibe ndawonye sibushe something senze hip hop ibe active again bafethu.
So uba invite kuphi
okapteni safuqala ngenze the whole planning bese ngenza meeting lesohlala khona sixoxele sikhulume singenza kanjani siyele phambili bafethu because ngaphandle kwethu ayikho umuntu ozosenzela bafethu.
Support
we need ourselves bafethu. Ngiyabonga khani King Ken
sithola kanjani mekhethi
ngifuna ukuthola bafethu ku Facebook bafethu fanbase Misa yabo hip hop wonke ama-followers ama-friends aba hip hop artist kuphela bafethu ku WhatsApp 0622097127 bafethu. I'm a hip hop activist and a rapper ngikhona uMlazi FM. I'm a technical and production manager. Artist ngiyavuma khona ne-show bafethu street hip hop show. Ngiyakwazi ufika khona everyone is welcome to come apushe istyle saka apushe music wakhe and I also have my own distribution company bizothiwa yini Echelon Creative.
shiyela inamba abantu bazokudinga mfethu
Bazodinga 062-209-7127 bafethu. Fanbase pheze khona indaba.
Siyabonga
kakhulu number 1.
usheshe ngiyipost
Ngiyabonga kakhulu King Ken.